All right, Christian. I really hope you make your flight.
Thank you.
I really, really hope you make your flight.
Me too.
I don't think he's gonna make his flight. You're gonna make your flight.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try.
Yeah, so Christian totally missed his flight, which really sucks for him. We woke up like 45 minutes late and his flight was an hour earlier than mine, so I'm good. But he just had to rebook his flight to San Diego. He's going to California. I'm going home. It is way too early to have been awake for 2.5 hours already. Toronto, you've been awesome though. I've really enjoyed being inside of you for the past few days. It has been a fun time. It has been a great time. I can't wait till I'm back here. Definitely one of my favorite places to travel to. I seriously feel so bad for Christian. Oh my goodness, wakes up late, completely misses his flight. I don't even want to know how much that is going to cost to rebook last minute. Moral of that story is set 25 alarms to make sure you never sleep through your flights.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Back in Winnipeg. Wow, I have not had a chance to like just be at home and get comfortable for basically the entire month of October. I was in New York, then I was home for a day, then I was in Boston, and I came back to Winnipeg for 3 days, but Christian was here with me the entire time. By the way, Christian is still sitting in the airport waiting to leave for California. I feel so bad for him. Moral of that story, set 25 alarms. That way you're not gonna miss your flight. Anyway, we are back at home, and I wanna head over to Foot Locker today. The Foot Locker like just a block away from me. The one that I am cool with, the one that I enjoy going to now. I don't know what is there, but I haven't been there in a while and I want to check it out, say what's up to the guys that work there, see what's coming out next weekend. I know there's a ton of stuff coming out next weekend that I'm very excited for. Plus the weather is like actually really, really good today, especially for late October. Let's get over there. Oh my goodness, we just pulled up at Foot Locker. I love getting to see kicks early, and these come out this weekend. This is one of the pairs of shoes that I am considering picking up this weekend. These are weird. I haven't watched any reviews on these. They're suede. I really, really like the colorway, but the suede throws me off so much. I'm just so used to seeing Jordan 11s be patent leather. But I don't think I hate it. I mean, it's really, really different and it's throwing me off because this is the first time I've seen them and I thought it was leather. I'm not even making sense right now. Moral of the story is these are really, really dope. They're also like really, really expensive, and the Yeezys come out, and I'm not trying to spend $900 on sneakers on the same day on Saturday. So I'll have to consider whether or not I want to buy these, but wow. This is why you come to Foot Locker. You never know when you're gonna get an early look at a pair of kicks. These are really dope. So besides those Jordan 11s, let's check out what else they have around here. I'm seeing they have the off-white utility Air Maxes or Air Forces or whatever these are called. I know lots of people are getting hyped up over these. These are sort of fresh. I really like the black pair. I've seen the white pair. Not a huge fan of the white pair. The leather looks a little bit cheap. But these, I can get down with these. I'm not gonna buy them. I need to control my spending because I'm gonna buy too many sneakers this weekend. If you guys are looking to buy any pairs of sneakers, I'll leave some links down in the description for stuff like this, other Air Maxes, all of that good stuff. I usually leave links in the description on most of my videos for some good sneaker deals, so just make sure to go down there, check it out. I think those are still sitting in most sizes, so if you wanna pick up a pair, just check out the link. Overall, some actually dope stuff inside of Foot Locker. Those Air Forces were cool. There's also some like Don C, Jordan 312 Legacies or whatever those are called. No filming in here?
There's no filming in the mall, no.
My apologies. Okay, time for a quick little unboxing and clothing pickup. We're gonna be heading to Livestock in a second, but I got some mail and I got a pickup in Toronto that I didn't get to show you guys yet. So I bought this at just an Urban Outfitters in Toronto. Nothing too fancy, but this is freaking dope. Nasty Nas in your area, about to cause mass hysteria. What a freaking sick shirt. Now, I hate that it's from Urban Outfitters. I wish I'd found this, like, an original print of this somewhere. But I mean, it's still a sick shirt. I'm still gonna take it. I'm still gonna wear it. Also, it's like $500 cheaper than the Nas Supreme t-shirt. So added value for money. All right, now moving on to this. I'm assuming this is like clothes or something. I honestly don't know what it is. It's from North Carolina. I didn't order anything. It's not big enough to be a pair of shoes. So who freaking knows what this is? Hopefully it's like a dope hoodie or something. It is definitely hoodie season in Canada right now, so I could use some extra hood. I mean, okay, that is not true. I have like 55 hoodies. I do not need any more hoodies, but I would like some more hoodies. So hopefully this is hoodies. Oh! Okay, I take back my previous statement. This is a pair of shoes. I don't know how they fit this inside of this very tiny box, but this is, I completely forgot I was getting these. Wow! I ordered these like 6 or 7 months ago. How did they take this long to get here? What the heck? Okay, so these are really, really cool. This is a super limited sample type media only pair of shoes that I got at an event in New York. Wow, how did these take this long to get here? All right, so this is a pair of Vans, and I'm not sure what type of iteration of this shoe released, but I know everyone that was at the event that was like a media member, and I guess I was a media member at the event, got a special t-shirt, and then we put in our information to get a special media only pair of sneakers. This was like literally maybe May 5th.
Yo, what's up? How's it going?
Seth, explain to me what's going on here. I don't really know.
So it's a Vans event. It's a collaboration between Vans and Michelin.
Like the tire company?
Yes. And I'll let you ask somebody about it. I'm kind of fuzzy on the details.
Why is a sneaker company collaborating with a tire company?
Again, fuzzy on the details.
So fast forward now to October 24th, and these are sitting here, and I don't even know what these look like. Like, they showed us product samples, I think, of what we were ordering, because there's like 2 different choices we could get as a media member, and I think I went with the low top. Yes, I went with the low tops, size 11.5. I don't know why I didn't get a size 12. Weird. This is some weird collaboration with Michelin, like the tire company. I have no idea the significance behind. Wow. Okay, these are actually sort of dope. They're like really ugly and tacky, but they're sort of dope. Let's get both of them out here so I can show you a better look at the Michelin Vans. I mean, look at how loud these things are. Oh my goodness. They have the Michelin Vans guy, the tire guy, the puffed marshmallow man. Does he have a name? The Michelin guy. The Michelin man, that's his name. I'm working on like 4 hours sleep, guys. Give me some slack here. Wow, these are dope. Oh my goodness, the quality on these. You can definitely tell there's like a quality step up from like a regular pair of Vans that you'd be buying. I'm not sure if that's just because they were seeded to like people that they think are important or have influence or whatever. But wow, the quality is really good on the suede and on the leather. Obviously the canvas is just regular canvas. The insole has the Michelin branding literally all over it. This is such a crazy pair of shoes. I don't know if I will ever wear these in my life. I honestly forgot I was getting these. And these are limited to, I believe, oh, I wish I could remember. It was like 250 pairs or 350 pairs of the amounts that they were sending out at the event. Like actually enough for everyone that was there at the event. First come, first serve type of basis. I completely forgot these existed. This was so long ago. Like this was in May, like beginning of May that I got this pair of shoes. And they just, how did they take 5 months? Did they make them? Like, were they not made? I'm really happy with these. Like just design wise and integrating the brand into the shoe. This is one of the more well done sneakers I've ever seen. I know like Kith Coke and stuff like that. Like the Kith Coke Converse, they're just way too loud. It's just like bam, in your face Coke logo. It's boring. It's easy. It's just, hey, let's put the Coke logo on a pair of shoes. But this is sort of clever how they put the Michelin guy inside of the checkerboard pattern. I really, really do like this pair of shoes. Now, as I said, I'm not sure if there was any Michelin Vans ever available for purchase. If there were, I am not sure what the difference is between the retail pair and the media only sample pair that I have. And I don't know when they released or if they're releasing in the future. Maybe I'm getting them now because they are releasing. I wish I could give you guys more information about this. Like I completely forgot these existed. Wow, okay, well that was a nice surprise to come home to coming back from Toronto. Let me know what you guys think of these. Do you think these are nice? Do you think these are boring? I know lots of you hypebeast kids are gonna hate on these because they're Vans and Vans are not popular. I mean like Fear of God Vans are popular, but Michelin Vans, probably not that popular in the opinions of the masses, but I think these are pretty cool. Honestly, really loud. Not something I'd wear on a regular basis, but you know what? Looking at these more, you could pull these off with like just blue jeans and a white t-shirt in the summer. I'm not gonna wear these in the winter for sure, simply because like canvas and suede is gonna get soaked through, you're gonna have freezing wet feet, and that is no fun at all. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these. Hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video, so until then, peace.